Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yo, what's up people, dan sob jajan, gimana bumpernya barusan? Makanan yang sungguh menggugah selera, bukan? Dari yang online sampai yang offline pada bejibun ngantri di mari guys, karena kekhasan atau keotentikan rasa dari setiap menu yang disajikan di sini. Seperti janji gua kemarin di teaser or di short video, bersama sobat gua si Jem, masih bersama Warung Nikmat yang berlokasi di samping Bandara I Gusti Ngurah Rai. Kita akan membedah atau breakdown satu persatu menu andalan Warung Nikmat Muslim ini guys. Check this out.
Chicken. Okay, this is satay ayam. Okay. Smoky, sweet with the peanut sauce. It makes it like nutty, earthy, really good balance of flavors. It's enough meaning delicious. It's some of the best satay I've had. Oh. This is satay as cold, sweet, smoky. It's similar to what say like duck, similar texture to duck, yeah. Not too much of a bite, or it's tender at the same time. I'd say it's perfect. Come try it.
Okay, enjoy Mike. So we come here with Mike, James from UK, but he live in Australia. So we got invitation with my brother, Mr. Bahri, and kakak. Thank you kak buat undangannya. Nah, karena nih sekarang kita lagi mau coba deskripsiin berbagai macam masakan atau hidangan di sini ya. Karena ini famous banget guys. Ini lokasinya dekat sama airport. Terus rame banget yang beli di sini. Nah, ini jadi penasaran nih teman gue nih. This is a curry ya. Curry. How's the taste?
Right. Not too spicy, but again sweet. The sauce is like perfect consistency. Not too thick, not too thin. It's beautiful. Like if you're from England, you know, like it's quite common to have like an Indian curry. This is better than Indian curry. This is.
I think it's better from Indian curry.
This is amazing.
In Indonesia, yeah, Asia.
Some of the curries I've had in Indonesia are just absolutely amazing. Does it have coconut milk?
Yeah, for sure. It's a santan. Sekali Indonesia.
Very
santan.
common. Instead of like ghee and stuff like this, they use coconut milk. So it's healthier, much better consistency, and just silky. Silky is the best way to describe it. Smooth, enough, meaning delicious.
James, this is the second soup. I think it's a clear soup. It was made from goat tooth. You can try. I think it's better with sambal, but you can try the original first.
What's in the soup so I can describe it?
It's kind of Indonesian soup. It's a goat, but made from goat.
Made from goat.
Yeah, but it's clear.
Clear soup.
Yes.
So what seasoning go in the soup?
I have no idea, James. Maybe we can ask. Bang, apa bang ini isinya bang? Bumbunya, bumbu dasar Indonesianya mungkin, rempah-rempah mungkin.
Ada ya, bawang merah, bawang putih.
Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Biji pala, merica, pokoknya rempah-rempah.
Oh, poinnya ini ada ini bang, rempah-rempah ya di sini. Lengkap rempah-rempah Indonesia. Okay. So you can try the last. This is the signature of Jakartanians people or Betawinans. It's called tongseng. Tongseng. Only you found it in Jakarta.
Tongseng.
Yes.
Tongseng.
What's what ingredients? Just so I can describe it better to people.
Apa bang ini?
Tongseng.
Isinya.
Sate kambing,
Kol,
tomat, cabai
rawit hijau.
Okay. So they will put the spicy, semi spicy with the vegetable. But with the milk, coconut oil.
Coconut milk,
Yes,
yeah.
coconut milk. Yes.
You have vegetables, coconut milk, chili.
You can try it.
So what's it called again?
It's a tongseng.
Tongseng. Yeah.
Tongseng.
This is tongseng,
Yes.
traditional dish from
Yeah.
Jakarta.
Actually, Indonesian people will eat before the honeymoon. It's good for.
really?
Yes.
So I didn't know that. I'm learning new things now. Again, out of the three here, this for me is the best. It's quite pedas, quite spicy, but not too spicy. And then the coconut milk balances it out really nice. And then you've got the vegetables in there as well. Beautiful. The color is beautiful.
So maybe you can
The
try.
smoky meat as well.
Yes, you can try with the tomato and the vegetable. What is taste? Is mixed in your mouth.
The tomato helps level out the spice. It's quite tart from the tomato. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's a slight hint of sweetness, but not too sweet. And then you have the crunchiness of the vegetables as well. It's beautiful.
So James, which one you like the most of those of things?
Out of these, not including the satay. Just
Okay.
these three. No,
Yeah. Only these three of soup.
Probably this one.
Okay, tongseng guys. Tongseng is the best one. This is the Jakartanense or Betawi.
They're all amazing,
Yes.
but for me, I think for a lot of people as well, when it has coconut milk
Okay.
in the soup, it just brings it to another level.
Wow.
Coconut milk for me is amazing.
Thank
Healthy
you.
as well.
Okay, James. If you give the rate for this restaurant, how many stars that you will give them?
8.7 out of
1.7.
10. 8.7 out of 10.
Okay, it's a awesome. It's an awesome point. So, what you gonna tell him? Because invited of them, we can try the awesome food today. Or what you can tell them?
You come here,
Yes.
speak to this man. He's amazing. He will look after you. He'll cook the food fresh in front of you. Come. Makasih ya.
Thank you Bang, thank you Kak. Kita lanjut makan ya. Thank you banget loh atas undangannya. Semoga laris terus, lancar terus, tambah berkah.
Bagus.
Dan warung Nikmat Muslim ini juga selalu bikin ini ya guys, Jumat berkah. Pokoknya banyak lah, bisa segala sesuatunya, bisa menerima pesanan, akikoh, apalagi Bang? Pesta, kambing guling.
Oke, ya kambing guling.
Kambing gulingnya juara guys. Orang-orang bandara, pokoknya orang-orang bandara tuh, bandara di Bali paling sering banget kalau ngajain acara.
Kambing guling.
Saya pesan kambing guling.
Ada kambing satu ekor tuh.
Ada kambing guling katanya 1 ekor, tapi kayaknya perut kita udah nggak muat karena kita cuman berdua. Dan thank you banget buat undangannya. Nanti ditunggu videonya Bang Bahri, Karina. Thank you. James lanjut makan. Gue juga mau makan guys.
Oke, lanjut.
Guys.
Thank you guys.
Guys, jadi buat yang penasaran langsung aja kemari. Don't stop jajan, jangan berhenti.